Kasi dapat lahat ng DRRM babantayan bago pa sumabog kung anong state ng volcano. And then saan papunta ang direksyon ng hangin. Ang direksyon ng hangin, malalaman yan sa weather, hindi sa amin, sa Phivolcs, sorry. Hindi sa kanila sa Phivolcs. Wala na pala ako doon. So, nung sumabog ang Kanlaon, ang mga hangin iba-ibang level. Dahil habagat ang prevalent, di ba, usually papunta doon ng upper wind. Kaya lang minsan, yung depende sa level, dalawang direksyon yun, yung mas mababa ganito, mas mataas doon, or mas mataas pag ganyan. So, dahil habagat, hindi masyado mataas yung eruption, mga 3 kilometers. Papat pa rin dito. So, babantayan dapat kung saan papunta. Cebu will always be, saka unusual during that time kasi naging easterly no? Naging easterly, northeast dapat pa dito. So, pambihirang mag-asphalt dito, but kailangan bantayan sa weather forecast kung saan ang hangin na naggagaling. So, minomodel kasi yan, but to just say, pag sumabog ngayon, papunta ang hangin dito, then we have to anticipate. Now, ang issue lang naman dyan is you don't breathe fine ash. So, dapat, dahil nearby kayo sa Kanlaon, always ready to use your handkerchief or basang damit o saraduhan yung bintana.
Sec, on the part of the DOST and also formerly of Phivolcs, how do we understand now the public and also the LGUs that the hazard threat in Kanlaon is continuing and lingering since based on the information from Phivolcs, it's actually preparing for a possible major event. So how do we forewarn and remind the public about it?
So sa bawat volcano, may alert level system starting from 0. Once na magsabing alert level 1, that means that there are signs of activity beneath the volcano like earthquake or increased sulfur dioxide emission. Once it is alert level 2, sinasabi dyan na ang bulkan ay mas mataas na yung kanyang activity at umaakit yung magma. Pag nag-alert level 3 na, sigurado na may magmang umaakyat. And that is why, compared sa past eruptions, napakatagal na nitong eruption ng Kanlaon volcano. As long as that level is maintained, you in Cebu should always be considering the possibility of ash being drifted towards Cebu. Ngayon, of course, habagat, usually to the northeast. Ang problema, kung sakali lang may dumaan na bagyo, ang bagyo counterclockwise. So pwede na pag dumaan yung bagyo sa north, ang Kanlaon, counterclockwise, papad pa rin sa Cebu yung abo, di ba? So, we should always prepare for a possibility of ash. Now, asphalt is not that dangerous, except that if it's thick, slippery yung road. So, ang gagawin kaagad, linisin yung kalsada. Don't drive if the ash is thick. And then yung mga tao, huwag ma-inhale yung fine ash, delikado sa lungs. No? So, saraduhan ang pintuan at bintana, and of course, cover your mouth. Or, sorry, nose.